Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on DTC P0710-62, which indicates an intermittent failure of the transmission fluid temperature sensor in the 2023 Honda CR-V. This error is primarily associated with the transmission's ability to monitor and adjust based on fluid temperature, which is crucial for optimal engine performance and efficiency. The sensor plays a key role in providing real-time data to the Transmission Control Module, TCM, ensuring that the vehicle operates within safe temperature parameters. When the TCM detects a significant difference in readings between the transmission fluid temperature sensor and the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor 2, it triggers the DTC, leading to possible transmission performance issues. Understanding the nuances of this error code enables accurate diagnosis and effective repairs, preventing further complications with vehicle operation and reliability. The transmission fluid temperature sensor is integral to the transmission system in the Honda CR-V. Its primary role is to monitor the temperature of the transmission fluid, sending this information to the Transmission Control Module, TCM. The TCM utilizes this data to adjust shifting patterns and fluid flow, ensuring optimal engine performance and protecting the transmission from overheating. The sensor is integrated with the solenoid wire harness A, which makes it a crucial component for the transmission's electronic control system. If the fluid temperature deviates significantly from the engine coolant temperature recorded by ECT sensor 2, the TCM interprets this deviation as an abnormal wear signal, generating the respective DTC for inspection and repair. As part of regular maintenance, understanding the location and functionality of this component can aid in preventative measures against transmission failures. There are several potential causes that could lead to the triggering of DTC P0710-62. The first and most common cause is a faulty transmission fluid temperature sensor. If the sensor is malfunctioning, it may not provide accurate temperature readings to the TCM, which can lead to significant operational problems. Additionally, wiring issues such as corrosion or disconnections in the harness connecting the sensor to the TCM could impede the flow of accurate signals. Lastly, a malfunction within the transmission control module itself can misinterpret the signals received, leading to erroneous readings and the triggering of this DTC. Each of these components plays a vital role in the overall health of the CR-V's transmission system, and identifying the exact cause is essential for effective repairs and ensuring vehicle reliability. The symptoms accompanying DTC P0710-62 can manifest in various ways. Drivers may experience erratic transmission behavior, such as abrupt shifts or hesitation when changing gears. Unusual temperature readings on the dashboard may also occur, which might indicate either overheating or inadequate fluid conditions. Furthermore, the check engine light will typically illuminate on the dashboard as a direct result of this error code being triggered, alerting the driver to potential problems under the hood. These symptoms not only affect the performance of the vehicle, but can also lead to long-term damage if not addressed promptly. Early recognition of these signs can facilitate timely diagnostics and repairs, thus preserving the vehicle's overall functionality. The first step in the troubleshooting process for DTC P0710-62 requires that the engine be left off for at least 6 hours. This duration allows the transmission fluid and the engine coolant to stabilize to ambient temperature. This is crucial because both the transmission fluid temperature sensor and the ECT sensor 2 need accurate baseline readings to ensure that the subsequent diagnostics are valid. Any discrepancies in temperature readings taken immediately after the engine has been running could lead to misleading conclusions about the health of the sensors or associated systems. By allowing sufficient time for temperature equilibrium, technicians can ensure that the data collected during further troubleshooting is reflective of the actual operating conditions. The next crucial step in the diagnostic process involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to confirm the values for both the CVTF, continuously variable transmission fluid, temperature, and the ECT sensor 2. This step allows technicians to gather diagnostic data that can indicate whether the transmission fluid temperature sensor is functioning correctly. According to the diagnostic guidelines, the HDS should show that the CVTF temperature is lower than the ECT sensor 2 value by 58 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Celsius, or higher by 43 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 degrees Celsius. If the readings deviate from these normal operating conditions, it suggests a malfunction in the transmission fluid temperature sensor itself. It's important for technicians to document these values accurately, as they are critical for the decision-making process regarding further repairs. Once repairs have been completed pertaining to DTC P0710-62, it is essential to verify the effectiveness of the corrections made. The first step in this verification process is to confirm that the transmission fluid temperature sensor is functioning properly. This might involve rechecking the values with the HDS to ensure they fall within the specified range relative to the ECT sensor 2 readings. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle should be conducted, allowing the technician to monitor the transmission's behavior under various driving conditions. Observing that the vehicle operates smoothly without shifting issues or further check engine light alerts confirms that the necessary repairs have been successful. A thorough final check ensures that the vehicle is returned to optimal operational standards. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding issues like DTC P0710-62 in a Honda CR-V. One of the key strategies is to conduct regular inspections of the transmission fluid temperature sensor, which helps ensure that it remains functional and can effectively monitor temperature variations. Additionally, checking the fluid levels and overall transmission health at regular intervals can help prevent overheating or other performance-related problems. Keeping the transmission fluid clean and at the appropriate level is crucial for the sensor to operate optimally. By adopting these preventive measures, vehicle owners can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering this error code and ensure a long lifespan for their transmission system. In summary, DTC P0710-62 indicates an intermittent problem with the transmission fluid temperature sensor in the 2023 Honda CR-V. Proper diagnostics and troubleshooting steps are critical for identifying the root cause and ensuring that the vehicle operates efficiently. The interaction between the transmission fluid temperature sensor and the ECT sensor 2 is key to maintaining optimal transmission performance. Regular preventive maintenance, including sensor inspections and fluid checks, plays a significant role in preventing such issues from recurring. Ultimately, being proactive can relieve vehicle owners from the hassle of unexpected repairs and ensure lasting reliability from their Honda CR-V. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.